Hey, who wouldn't want to get more done and speed up their tedious tasks? Well, that's where ChatGPT can step in. But how can we use ChatGPT's features to make our lives even easier? Let's get into it. Hey there, Stan from Stan's Garage, the channel that brings you everything you need to know for effective business IT management and some tech news too. If you're new here, I've been running STG Infotech, a successful managed IT service provider in Los Angeles for the past 15 years. My goal with this channel is to help businesses and executives approach IT with confidence. In this video, we're looking into the world of ChatGPT and exploring how its advanced features and add-ins can help boost your productivity. From voice interactions to image generation and beyond, ChatGPT offers a suite of tools designed to streamline your workflows and unleash your creativity. So grab your notepad and get ready to unlock the full potential of ChatGPT. Part 1 of features you can use with ChatGPT and make you more productive. Introducing OpenAI Voice, a revolutionary feature that allows you to chat with ChatGPT using your own voice, opening a world of possibilities for seamless communication. Incorporating OpenAI Voice into your workflow is simple. Just open the ChatGPT app, log in with your OpenAI account, and tap on New Question. Select the headphone icon, choose your preferred voice, and voice your query. Within minutes, you'll receive a vocally articulated response, bringing your conversation to life. But what can OpenAI Voice do for you? Well, imagine being able to ask questions, engage in dynamic discussions, or brainstorm ideas, all with the ease of speaking naturally. Whether you need information brainstorming a solution or simply enjoying a conversation, OpenAI Voice enhances your personal interactions with ChatGPT. Part 2 of features you can use with ChatGPT that make you more productive. Now, using the paid version of ChatGPT gains you access to GPT-4 and the DALL-E integration. DALL-E is a powerful tool that allows you to generate custom images simply by describing them in text, giving you the ability to actually visualize your ideas. Using DALL-E is straightforward. Just describe the image you have in mind using natural language. The more detailed, the better, and DALL-E will generate a corresponding visual. You can use this feature to brainstorm marketing visuals, create presentations, or illustrate product concepts. You can do quite a bit. But the benefits of DALL-E extend beyond just creating visuals. By streamlining the process of generating images, DALL-E saves you time and effort, allowing you to focus on whatever matters most to you. With DALL-E, the possibilities are endless. It's time to start exploring your creativity. Part 3 of features you can use with ChatGPT that make you more productive. To all those who struggle a bit with Microsoft Excel, let's explore the synergy that can exist with ChatGPT to enhance productivity and efficiency. When integrated with Excel, ChatGPT becomes a valuable assistant, offering real-time assistance and feedback to your Excel spreadsheets. From automating tasks like data entry and cleaning to providing insights and recommendations, ChatGPT streamlines Excel workflows, saving time and improving accuracy. Here are just a few examples. ChatGPT can generate reports and dashboards automatically, saving time and effort while ensuring accuracy and up-to-date information. It can also analyze data and identify trends to make informed decisions and even solve problems. Want to create and manage budgets? ChatGPT can help ensure spending is on track and financial goals are being met. ChatGPT can also track sales performance with insights into areas for improvement and goal setting. To set up ChatGPT in Excel, simply download and install the add-in. Open Excel and navigate to the Add-ins tab. Click Configure on the ChatGPT toolbar and enter your API key. Part 4, features you can use with ChatGPT and make you more productive. Tired of endlessly scouring your PDFs for the exact information you're looking for? Say hello to Ask Your PDF, a convenient plugin that simplifies that task. With Ask Your PDF, you can easily retrieve data from PDF documents without the hassle of manual copying and pasting. To use Ask Your PDF, upload your document to the service, paste the provided document ID into your ChatGPT query, and let the plugin handle the rest. While it may require an extra step to upload the document, the time saved in scanning the PDF makes it well worth it. Say goodbye to the frustration of information extraction and hello to the efficiency of Ask Your PDF. Part 5 of features you can use with ChatGPT that make you more productive. Introducing Link Reader, another powerful plugin for ChatGPT that simplifies the process of summarizing information from various sources. With Link Reader, you can extract and combine data from web pages, PDFs, images, and more, making it a versatile tool for a wide range of tasks. Whether you need to summarize articles, check recent news, clarify details in a document, or evaluate the sentiment of a web page, Link Reader has you covered. Simply use the commands to pull information from different sources and streamline your research process. Link Reader gives you a more efficient way of extracting and summarizing information with ChatGPT. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at 5 ways of how you can use ChatGPT's advanced features to enhance your productivity and efficiency. If you enjoyed hearing about some of these features, let me know. I'd love to add part 2 of this series. But don't let new technology hold your business back. If you've got a small business and you need some IT help, reach out to us at stginfotech.com or schedule a call via the Calendly link in the description below. Learn more about how we can help you unlock the power of AI in your business. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.